Hi everybody, welcome to Truewants. We're here, we try to help you make that decision if it's going to stay a want or become a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. You also will see beside that subscribe button a bell. I recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube is set up to send you one email notifying you whenever I have uploaded a brand new video. You will see in your inbox a picture of what the video is about as well as the title. And if you press on the picture, it will take you directly to the video. It acts like a shortcut. It's something I use and I enjoy, and I want to make sure that you guys know about it as well. I do upload a lot. And sometimes it's not only unboxings or going through my stash. A lot of times it's about deals that I come across and I don't want you guys missing out. So sometimes the videos are time sensitive. So if it shows up in your inbox and you see the picture of it, you'll know exactly what the video is about. And you can either hit it right away and go to it. Like I said, if it's something that you think is time sensitive, or it's something that waits in your inbox for when it's a good reminder to be waiting for you in your inbox for you to revisit later. That's how I use it. That's how I enjoy it. And I want to make sure that you guys know about it because not too many people talked about it before. I never knew what that notification bell did. So I want to share that with you guys. All right. Today's a day that we get to announce the giveaway winner for our Improving Lifestyles brand of products. If you're not familiar, Improving Lifestyles is a company that my brother and I started. It's an e-commerce business. It's only a couple of years that we've been doing this. We decided to use our creativity in a different realm. If you're not familiar with me at all, I'm originally from Canada and from the big cities there. And we had a business for more years than I want to mention that what we did were we were importers and distributors that we received exclusive rights. And then we started doing some of our own products as well. So what ends up happening is when we sold the business, we decided that we were going to move to United States. And as a Canadian, you know, that takes some time. And that's what we did. So now we're living here full time. But during our many years that we had the business together in Canada, which I loved and enjoyed, but it was a completely different realm. It was more in a completely nothing creative, anything like that. So we couldn't wait to dabble a little bit more. And like I said, we met so many people along the way of different manufacturers, of different types of materials and things like that. So when we had the opportunity, we decided that we wanted to dabble in e-commerce, and that's what we ended up doing. So we saw that there was a little bit of a void when it came to the pricing. That was the markup seemed to be a lot when it came to, at this point, we were doing some vegan, but mostly leather goods. And we couldn't believe the markup on some of these products. So we wanted to be able to give you a direct to consumer type of pricing without taking away any of the quality, but more importantly, making sure there were these added little features that we felt were missing. So it took us a long time to gather the type of products that we wanted. We do have a website. It's called improvinglifestyles.com. We're very excited. We're now getting more involved where we're going to start setting up email lists. I'll make sure to tell you guys when all that happens. But right now today, what I want to do is I just want to share with you, we did do a couple of giveaways with this already, and the feedback on them were pretty nice. I want to make sure that on this one, I was a little bit surprised that we didn't get as many people that were of interest because this is a product that I personally use as well. So I don't want you guys missing out on this. And also in reference to Improving Lifestyles, you will see when you go to the website, the prices are literally as if I was selling it to the store and the store would then mark it up and then sell it to you. So the prices are fantastic. They're really inexpensive, but the quality, I promise you, is there. We also ship for free across the US. There are no minimums. That was something I wanted to make sure, because I don't like paying shipping. So everything that I would want for myself is what we put into these products. And then I just want to go through it quickly with you, and then we will announce the winner. So I'm hoping in the next time that we do an Improving Lifestyles product that you guys take a look, because a lot of these products, and especially this one, they're unisex. Both of us can use it. And I know this is my beauty channel because this is my my little escape from the business world, to be able to share with you all the stuff that I love. And I know usually the girls and the guys that watch this are just as passionate about the beauty and stuff like that. But when it comes to quality products that are deals and things like that, I don't want you missing out on the day-to-day products also. So that's why we decided once in a while to pop in and let you guys know a little bit more about our world and our business world, and then what the products that we're featuring and showing you guys. So this is Theo. All of our products come in an organza gift bag, because if you're like me, I love getting gifts and I love giving gifts. So with that said, this way, if it's something that you're buying for yourself or buying for a loved one, you already have the gift packaging ready for you. The item that we're going through today, he's Theo, and this one is THEO. And what it is, it's a business card, credit card holder. So also, it has an ID holder inside here too. So on the outside, it is a beautiful soft leather. It also has an extra credit card spot right here for easy access. Also on the inside here, you have what they call the window ID. It also has a finger guide, which is a little cutout area here. This is a big expense on a lot of products. But you will not see that in our pricing, but it was a feature that I wanted to make sure that you had, because I always had a hard time, and especially if you have nails and things like that, going into getting cards out if you need to. And with the finger guide, you're able to push the cards in and out a lot easier. It's a really great feature. On the other side here is where you would keep your assortment of cards, as well as business cards or things like that. It has an expanding, what they call a gusset, which is here, which widens open so that you're able to fit a lot of cards in here without it getting too thick and bulky. So it is, to me, a fantastic product. I use this a lot when I travel, so that I have everything accessible to me. If I need to show my driver's license or anything like that, it's right there. It's not blatantly that anybody can see any of my information, but it is an easy flip up to show my information there. I also, during the trade shows, this is where I keep my credit cards and I keep my business cards, and I also keep a couple of extra dollars. There is a second spot in here so you can separate your credit cards from your business cards, so you're never going to give out the wrong card. All these little extra features that you'll see, it's even better in person, but the bottom line is that when you see the pricing on this, and like I said, free shipping across the US, you will see it will surprise you very much. So if you need any of these type of gifts, I would love you guys to go check out the website. If now it's available where you can put your email address in, I hope that you will, because we're going to be running promotions and that type of stuff on that site as well. So I just want you guys to hope that you will support that side of my life as well, and double check and make sure that like I said, we're very, very excited to be able to share this with you guys, and I'm really excited to be able to share this with the winner. So with that said, you're going to get this product in the organza gift bag, and we're going to ship this out to you. The winner is Tina. Your last name, I think, is McLennan. I apologize if I'm not saying that correctly, but what I will be doing, Tina, is I will, in the video where you left the comment where you were interested in being entered, I will definitely get in touch with you there. I did read your comment that you're not that familiar with Instagram, so I will mark in the comment where you will be emailing me your information, and we'll take it from there. So no worries on that sense. You will definitely be contacted, and we will make sure that somehow we will get the information back and forth, but it will all be privately through the email, and then we'll take it from there. So I will definitely reach out to you, like I said, via email, but I will also leave in the video that you entered I will send you the reply, but I'll make sure to do both because you did mention that you're not that familiar with Instagram. All right, so no, we'll be able to take care of you there. So once again, I want to thank everybody for taking the time to grow with me on my channel. This was something that I wanted to do for a period of time, and I just never had the time to do it. And because I worked in a larger office environment, we had this a camaraderie that we were able to share with each other our new finds, all that type of stuff. And I was really missing that when I, we're now doing e-commerce. So it's a completely different world. A lot of it is through what they call third party. So we get to speak to a lot of people and we get to deal with a lot of people, but the interaction isn't there when you stop working in that office environment like I have. So I was missing out on that, and I decided that what I love to do is I love to share and I love to talk about things that are fashion, accessories, makeup, body lotions, all that stuff. And by having a YouTube channel, I found an outlet that I am enjoying. It is a lot of work. I'm not going to say it's not. I'm trying my best to get a lot of content out there so that you guys will get to know who I am. I am growing nicely, but I would love to be able to reach a lot more, and the only way that I can do that is if you guys share my channel. So I need you guys to be able to because this is such a large platform, and I know for me, if I'm watching somebody and they mention someone else's channel, I immediately go to that channel so that I can see someone that watches me probably likes the same things that I like, and I get to share and see their channels, and I usually subscribe to those channels as well. So very supportive. I think this is a fantastic community. I relied very heavily on it during a lot of my transition time of, not having that company anymore and having more time to watch. Now that I'm doing this, I don't have as much time to enjoy and see as many videos as I like to, but that's a little bit that I had to give up to be able to have content for you guys here. So once again, we're enjoying doing these giveaways. You will see a lot more. We seem to be doing them weekly. A lot of it is in reference to the duplicate products that I'm receiving in the boxes that I'm getting. And it seems to be going really, really well. I love that you guys are also leaving comments, because when you do that and I pull the giveaway winner, and especially Tina, you are someone that I know has been really sweet in reference to the comments. So when I saw your name, that you were into this product, I was so excited that your name was pulled. So once again, thank you so much for finding my channel. Thank you for spending time with me on my channel. Thank you for sharing my channel, and I'll see all of you on my next video. Take care for now. Bye-bye.